So my plan is for doing two strategies today. Both are completely reverse to what we did in the last class, which is pivots indicator. If you remember what we did in pivots was the hero strategy one. Today, what we are going to do is the hero strategy two. Pivot was completely related to, what we have done previously is we were somewhere in the mid swing trading kind of, yeah, buying, selling, waiting. What we did in pivots, the last session, that was completely for fast rolling of money, trading for full time traders. Today, what we are going to do is again completely another extreme, which is not trading, which is investing. Yes. So we have never spoke about investing. Um, Not hardcore investing, but strategies which look at long term trading. So we'll cover two. One, which looks somewhat trading, somewhat investing. Basically, trading ही बोलूंगी because see, the basic difference between trading and investing is it's not about long term and short term, but if I have the intention to sell, then it is trading. It is long term trading, but hai to trading na, because I have the intention to sell. And the second strategy, which is just investing like Warren Buffett, understanding the Warren Buffett secrets and everything. So usme we are just investing. And I'll show you how much returns investing is also giving. But investing में बात ये होती है कि people do investing like आंखें बंद करके, है ना, करनी है चलो investing, मतलब वो एवरी मंथ म्यूचुअल फंड में मेरा पैसा कटता जाएगा, एवरी मंथ जस्ट पुट मनी इन म्यूचुअल फंड. तो क्या होता है, इफ एवरी मंथ money gets deducted in mutual fund, the problem with that is, let's say today मार्केट ऐसे ऐसे घूम रहा है, तो मार्केट में द मार्केट इज एट टॉप, तब भी यू आर इन्वेस्टिंग ना. वो जब ऐसे चक्कर खाने नीचे जाता है, वी शुड इन्वेस्ट एट द बॉटम, व्हाई वी आर इन्वेस्टिंग एट द टॉप. So you're putting it money at the top. That is one problem with the mutual funds. Second, you don't know कि उसके अंदर कौन सा बुफे बना हुआ है stocks का. So some stocks inside it, even if you go and check the stocks, some stocks might be at the mid, some stocks might be at the bottom, some stocks might be at the top. So that is a problem in mutual funds where you don't get access to direct stocks. So I'm just talking about investing now. करेंगे हम investing, but we will pick the perfect category of stocks, the good stocks, and in good stocks we will invest when they are at the rock bottom. That is Warren Buffett strategy. And second is about long term trading.